And now news from sports. Don Bosco College of Engineering from Fatorda scored a stunning 2-0 victory over Dhempe College from Miramar in inter-college football finals on Friday. Both goals came in the second half of a hard-fought contest. Don Bosco have thus produced a fantastic performance to win the highly competitive football title in their competition debut.
Don Bosco Engineering boys surprised favourites Dhempe with some smart play. Despite being under pressure for most part of the match, the Fatorda team did not lose their shape. The first half was a barren affair where both teams had some scoring chances, with Dhempe looking like they could score any time. Both teams, especially Avertano Barreto's Don Bosco, were getting good advice from the coaches at half-time, as the second half was set to become even more exciting. After the interval, the Dhempe boys looked determined to break the deadlock and unleashed a lot of attacks. Soaking the pressure well, Don Bosco broke out into an attack and earned a corner against the run of play. Joel Dias of Don Bosco scored the opening goal in the 56th minute. Stung by the reversal and urged on by their supporters, the Dhempe boys went on for an all-out attack to get an equalizer, attacking from both the wings.
Hello, don't allow!
However, another quick counter-attack saw Agio Anthao making it 2-0 and earned a deserving victory for the disciplined Don Bosco boys. Vice-Chancellor of Goa University, Professor A.B. Afonso, was the chief guest and presented medals and trophies. Our sports editor, Neeraj Prabhu, and senior video journalist, Tulsidas Chari from Goa University.
After Sangye MLA Subhash Faldesai remarked that the work at Sangye ground is unsatisfactory, Sports Minister Ramesh Thawadkar has ordered a probe into the matter. Prudent had reported on Thursday that work at DSY's Sangye ground is not up to the required sports standard. Faldesai had revealed he had asked the Sports Minister to look into the matter.
ग्राउंडाची ती स्थिती पळयल्यार ग्राउंडार जे काम फाटल्या सरकारान जे काम करपा हाती घेतिल्ले ते अजून रडकरत त्या ग्राउंडाची परिस्थिती फाटली 2 वर्सां जाली अजूनही ताका टाइम एक्सटेंशन दियत चल्ले कडेन साम कितें एक्शन घेवपाक सोदता म्हळ्यार
ना हांवें मिनिस्टराक सांगिल्लें आसा इफ इट इज नॉट एक्झिक्युटेड प्रॉपर्ली ते रिडू करपाक जाय परत करचें लागतलें
सांग्यार जो ग्राउंडाचें काम चालू आसा त्या ग्राउंडाक सबस्टँडर्ड काम जाता चल्लां अशा तरेचा कालच म्हाका आमदारान फोन केलो त्यामुळे म्हजे इंजिनियर आज तांकां हाडलेलो आसा इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक आमदार आसतलो आनी तांकां ते रिपोर्ट दितले आनी रिपोर्ट दिले नंतर बाबा कितें करपाक जाय बाबा खरेंच काम जें सारकें चल्लां काय कितें खरेंच काम सबस्टँड आसा काय कितें ह्या संदर्भात तो रिपोर्ट आयल्या नंतर ताची हांव फुडली कारवाय करता.
Our reporter in Sangye, Mayur Naik for Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.